Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I wish all of you is always well. So in this video I will make a feedback about my trade which I'm done on 12 December 2022. This is the week 6 and this is the last week of the program, so 1 month, and the result was bad. This is 33%, so only one is profit and two was losses. So for that, in this kind of feedback video, how can we learn from the mistake, okay, my mistake, and so you and me can learn from this. Okay, let's do the option number 1. So this is my trade, my first trade. You see, so what is basically I see here and what I not see, okay, because there's if we are wrong, then maybe the perception are wrong. So the first thing is what I see is absolutely from this kind of situation I should expect the uptrend here, okay, especially when I see this candlestick, okay, this breakout candlestick. So this breaking 200 EMA, guys. So what happened when 200 EMA is breaking? It can be a strong trend but at that point I don't see that. Okay, I see this confirmation of buying pressure because this is also the level 38.2 below. So my perception at that moment should be, well, if this 200 is broken, then below is also strong level, so the possibility of fake breakout is also here. And because the trend is a little bit like uptrend, okay, so but actually it was ranging, so maybe that still attached on my mind. So when this candle is breakout, I wait for this candle, guys, a confirmation of that this 38.2 is will hold. Okay, so this is for me was a buying pressure at the time, but actually this is a retracement. Okay, we can do this kind of confirmation on ranging market, but here was kind of ranging, but it's strong. Okay, it's kind of something that changed in a higher time frame, so it's so strong. Okay, so that is what I see. I wait for confirmation, but the confirmation was not working because against the minor strong downtrend. So so what I not see here, it should be the area is still at 2 deviation. Okay, this is strong area, and then the breakout, which is could be also strong, and yeah, that what I not see. I'm using the confirmation of bullish gravestone doji not in the right context, which is strong minor downtrend, okay, after the breakout of 200 EMA, and then strong area of minor downtrend below 1 deviation, at 2 deviation lower Bollinger Band. Okay, so because I'm also expect ranging from here, guys, from this kind of line, but actually here the trend change on higher time frame and this keep going down. So be careful with the trend change on higher time frame because it's really can manipulating us, because we see ranging, we see the possibility of buying pressure, but it's not in the right context. And of course I also don't see like this is what shooting star. Okay, what happening if the shooting star happen at 200, it could make another bearish, which is first candle will be a retracement and the next will be continuation and continuation. So that was my mistake. I'm not correct reading the strong minor downtrend. I'm expecting the minor downtrend is end, but it's not end due to the trend change on higher time frame. Okay, so what I'm writing here, this is the one. Okay, location at 2 deviation. The clue is again strong minor downtrend due to the trend change, okay, on higher time frame, or TCHT. Okay, so that is the problem, because gravestone doji also continuation, okay, in the strong minor downtrend. Okay, so I'm not seeing that. Let's continue to number 2. Still on the same zone. Now I'm kind of waiting. So this is level 14. This is a not good level, but at the time I don't know why I'm using that, and I'm seeing this kind of consolidation, of course, but this is not actually consolidation. Even after this candle, you see, I'm waiting this hammer to fill the gap here. Yes, it's filling the gap, but it's kind of still have a gap, and the strong areas is still there, which is below 1 deviation lower Bollinger Band. This is trend change on higher time frame, and it's filling the gap, so I just need to enter here. But this is kind of also a little bit of FOMO maybe, okay, because I don't realizing this is the gap also can be filled, okay, because this is a strong minor downtrend. So the problem is here we I wrong reading the context, which is I'm expect a consolidation because the downtrend is not so down. Okay, so I'm expecting this level will hold and make some bullish here after this week, but this is not a weak candlestick. This is kind of drop based drop. Okay, so the big problem is I'm doing sell below this line, okay, without a good confirmation of bullish buying pressure. Okay, even there is no bullish, so there is also means not a weak but a strong retracement bearish. So that happened is because of higher trend change on higher time frame, which is that cross, and that cross. Okay, so even after it is still going down, so I'm in the wrong context to do a call option after a minor downtrend, because if that was a strong trend, then will be not happen a bullish candle. Okay, so again strong minor downtrend, you have to understand that. Okay, and the third one was profit. This is the end of the trend. Okay, so from that side here I'm waiting, and suddenly here I'm choosing to do following the major and the major downtrend. But the problem is here is the weak zone to do a sell option. Okay, but it's still profit due to the context of ranging. So this is ranging or consolidation, you can call it, because this is 38.2. you see the level is a little bit stronger, and then first is a breakout, and this is retracement continuation not working here. What happening? Probably consolidation or reversal. So now happen this kind of candlestick. This is also kind of consolidation because the closing is not breaking this week, and this is not breaking 38.2. I thought this is only filling the gap, and this is not a strong retracement, a bullish retracement, because at here was not fully established as a strong uptrend will coming up. Okay, so that is why I'm doing sell here. I'm correct reading the context. Even here the price is really going down because this is not actually, okay, the strong minor uptrend. When you see also this kind of hammer closing at the 38.2 only to fill the gap, but it is not strong up, so I do a sell option. But actually here was strong because it's reaching again the support and getting back to this level, so this is kind of strong now happening there. And this is could be also because of this and need two retracement, okay, in form of consolidation, because the major still major downtrend, so the bullish need some kind of retracement before it's going up, because it's again so strong downtrend. That is why it's getting down and getting back up again. So if we realize this candle, it should be going bullish here, okay, but I'm not realizing that because this is the end of my trade, so I'm entering the sell only. So this is basically against the minor uptrend, you see, because after this candle it's only a retracement, not a consolidation, and that is why this is basically bullish, because we actually consolidating between 38.2 and 1 deviation lower BB. Okay, this is make this candle a doji here. Okay, so this is basically not very good because it's very risky, but that was it. It's following the trend because it's not so it's confirmed that it's only filling the gap and not so strong, but actually in the next candle it's getting blowing up. So yeah, the consolidation still consolidation, and that is why I'm profit. So thank you guys. This is my feedback for the 12th December 2022. Thank you and bye bye.